I just went into 6 months of monk mode, literally just to build this product, and I'm coming out of my hermit cave right now, and I'm super pumped to show you what I built because, man, I've been looking for this solution for years. So I've been building on LinkedIn for the last couple of years, and if you see here, I've grown to about, it's respectable, about 14,000 followers. But a few months ago, I created this post right here, and in this post, I got 2,600 comments. This is a lead magnet post, and with lead magnet posts is effectively right here to get instant access to this template, like, comment, and comment a specific word. Now, the issue with this is that when you get 2,600 comments, it's literally humanly impossible. I mean, it's just not a good use to your time for you to go through each of every one of these comments. You got to figure out, okay, who's liked it, who's commented, who's I'm connected with, because you don't want to send lead magnets to people that you're not connected to, or you really can't. You can't send lead magnets of the URL, whatever, to people you're not connected with. So you want them to connect with you, which is why you reply to the comments if they're not connected, and then you're like, hey, connect with me, and then you got to wait for their connection, and when they send it, you got to remember who to send, what lead magnet to send them, but then maybe you posted another one and they don't connect with you for a week. It's a mess. So I was like, all right, I'm going to solve this issue. And as I started realizing I'm going to solve it, I'm going through it, and I solved it. It was incredible. And I built it in N8N. But what was crazy was that there's more problems that evolved from that. And that is why I got dug into this like 6 months of just building. So I'm going to show you what I built. And it is crazy. I'm really, really pumped and excited to show you what I built because this is what entrepreneur life looks like. And I'm going to take you behind the scenes of me now launching this. Well, it's going to be launched, going through the alpha next week. But then how do we grow this? I want you to join me on this journey to help me grow, and I'm going to show you what I'm thinking about, what I'm strategizing, how I'm doing everything, and share everything that I'm doing to build this product. So I'm really excited, and I hope this is valuable for you. So take a peek right now. We're in my tool. Now, if you look at LinkedIn's messaging tool, it effectively is very, very rudimentary, right? It's not very good. So if I go here, like I go see all these people I'm talking to, but I don't have an idea of, are they a good fit for what I do? Like, yeah, I can see their headline, but like, what else? Are they good fit? How many conversations I had with them? I mean, when you have, like right here, I said, let's say 10 people, that's easy. But when you have 300 or 1,000 or 3,000 people messaging you for lead magnets, how do you keep track of that? And so this is what I built. I built the ultimate, I think the new way of, I know it's a new way of managing conversations and relationships inside LinkedIn. And this is what it looks like. It's basically superhuman for LinkedIn. So my tool will basically pull everyone's information into here. On top of that, I can score them. So there's no scores now, but when the AI agent's set up, it will automatically look up everyone's headline, all right? Their headline compared to my ICP, and then I'll give it a score on a 0 to 100. And as you can see, this person was scored as a 1, but I'm still building this out. So on top of that, I can label them. I can have labels as, let's say I want an SDR label. I can label this person as an SDR, and boom, this is how you label them. Now they're an SDR. And then I can have pipeline stages. I have unlimited pipeline stages, custom pipeline stages. These are my pipeline stages, so everyone has their own stages they take people through. New lead, giving help, pre-qualifying, schedule a meeting, maybe one for closing. But when I built this infrastructure, it was literally for the intention of using AI in every one of these steps. So now that we have labels, now that we have pipeline stages, now that I have all these people's information, I can give all of this to AI, and at every stage, let's say every time someone's a new lead and they are a consultant, I want to say this. Every time someone is a new lead and they are a CEO of a whatever software company, maybe I want to have another offer. So let's take, for example, my offers. I have a school community where I teach people about AI and automations. I have a done-for-you agency where I do AI automations, AI agents for people, and now I have this software that allows people to generate leads through LinkedIn using AI. Every one of these offers might appeal to a different person. So what I've done is I've created the infrastructure to basically allow AI to analyze everything, the person's headline, their profile information, their work experience. So I'm going to show you. Let's go to Praveen Raj Asakan, right? Let's go. No information right now, okay? I'm going to grab his profile, and there. Now I have all his information. I have his about. He has nothing there. I have his work experience. I have his skills, his education. This goes on and on. I can collect all the information I need about this person and feed it to AI to generate information of what I should say. I can add notes to this person. So let's say this guy is cool. Hit save. I can add these notes, and I can now save notes on specific people about and add it to the AI. Obviously we went through labels and pipeline, but this is the coolest part right here, the conversation tab, because not only can I send this person a text, I can use AI prompts to generate 3 suggested potential replies to this person based on what I'd like to say from all the information I collected from their profile. This is insane. This is what I've been looking for, and I was like, if I could just have that, because it's easy for me to look at a message and say, I wouldn't say that, you know, like I can edit it or whatever, but it's really hard for me to look at someone and just create a message. It just takes a lot more brain power. Or if I have an SDR on my team and this person's in my LinkedIn, number one, I don't want to give my LinkedIn profile like access to just anyone, but this platform saves that so they don't not actually accessing my LinkedIn. And they can't like block me out of it and change my password or anything, but they get access to my messaging, and actually I can have multiple people on my team and have one person managing all the conversations for each of my LinkedIn profiles in my organization. And when I have all the AI prompts, and I'll show you that in a little bit, now this person can have the entire knowledge base of what I would say at different stages, what I would say for different people, what I would say when I introduce new case studies and everything into it, and automatically propose this to me, and basically it's already an idea of what we can say. So the next step is, and this is active for me, but not for anyone that is going to do the alpha, is automation. So once I know that, okay, I'm consistently I'm really happy with these conversations, I can do a confidence level and say, okay, the AI is 95% confident that this is the right message to send, all right? If it's over 95, just send it. If it's under 95 or under 90, leave it here, let me approve it. This is I'm just mind blown at what I was able to build in 6 months with just one developer. So now I can, the thing with LinkedIn is that when you do any type of action, you look at someone's profile, you message them, you send them a connection request, you can't do it a gazillion times or else you'll get your account blocked. When you automate things, you need intermittent things to just kind of make LinkedIn feel like you're a natural person. Like, they don't want you spamming people. Number one, they don't want you copy pasting and sending templates to the same people over and over and over and over. That is a huge sign of just lazy. Like, LinkedIn wants to encourage actual authentic relationships on their platform. It's a social media platform. They do not want automation to just spam people. This is what I'm trying to build and incorporate into this software. It allows you to scale one-on-one relationship building and trust building significantly. Just scale it en masse. So let me show you also the initial reason why I came into it was because I just got inundated with all these requests. So I created this content management piece, which basically pulls in all your posts. And what you can do with each post is, let's say you wanted to have this as a lead magnet post. I literally can first of all, I can put all my lead magnets here, right? So I can just add in all my lead magnets in here, but then I can link the lead magnets to the specific post. And once it's linked in there, I can actually edit and update, okay, what's my trigger phrase? Let's say Hanson's awesome. This is my lead magnet. I only have one. I'll select this. It can, the AI can actually read what the benefits are and who the target audience is, and that's can be in the future when you're messaging one-on-one. But for this, it just will know that, like, okay, if someone says this, they're requesting a lead magnet. But what about the whole issue about, like, are they connected with me or they're not? Sending a connection, this is it. This is all you need to worry about. All you need to do is put in What do you want to message someone when they request a lead magnet and they are connected? Okay, hi, name, here's a lead magnet, and then the link, right? And this lead magnet link is tied to the lead magnet that is tied to this post. But what if they're not connected? Then we have a comment thing. And this automatically will message everyone in the post and say, hey, send me a connection request. So you don't have to worry about that. And then the second they send it to you, it'll automatically accept their request and then send them the lead magnet. Like, you don't have to worry about this. This all takes care of all this. Now, the last thing I want to show you before I hop off is this AI agent. I can create an AI agent for every part of any stage that I possibly can think of. So we talked about pipeline stages, right? I can create an AI agent that every time an SDR hits or a let's say an SDR, right? Let's say every time an SDR comes into the custom view that this is an SDR, is a new lead, then I can send them this message and I can test all my prompts. Let's say I want to test it with this person, right? I can actually test. So one thing I skipped here is that you can use any LLM model. I incorporate OpenRouter, Anthropic AI, but with OpenRouter, if you're not familiar with it, OpenRouter is a platform that allows you to access any LLM, like everything, every LLM. And so let's say right now I'm using Maverick, which is Llama. I really like this one. It's super cheap. I'm using this one to score leads, but then maybe I want to use Claude, Sonnet 4 to actually message people because it's a lot better with that. So I can now play and test and basically just put this in here, and now I have access to Sonnet 4 and it will create the prompt basically what I want. Now I have all these different variables that are pulling from the lead magnets, their posts, the leads profile information. I can use those dynamic variables to easily input into these prompts. So this looks like this. I would just, if I want to input a dynamic variable into my prompt, I just hit / and then this will pop up, and I literally can just go through here and say, okay, I want to add in my ICP or whatever. I'll actually add in my ICP in here, and I'll say, make sure you reference my ICP to address one of their fears, dreams, etc. This is a very lazy prompt. I'm just kind of showing you what you can do. I can run this test on any of the leads, and this will actually oh, did I not put this in here? Yeah. ICP, and I can just do ICP. And I can hit this test, and it'll actually now populate the entire ICP that I've saved in my profile. And I can update my profile and automatically update here. So I'm just dynamically inserting all this information. So once I test it, it's going to test it with Claude, Sonnet 4. And then this is the message. It's going to be not going to be a very good message, but you literally can be as creative and unique and custom as you want for the actual message. And when it's done, it's going to come up with these messages, and they're not very good because the prompts aren't very good, but then I will basically use these messages and I can select them. So this is what it looks like when you select messages. So inside the conversations tab, let's go here, conversation, and boom, right there. I literally can just go in here, and this is from the prompts that you created in AI agents. Now, I can create all these different custom views. So let's say I wanted to add this one. Let's say I want to add this person as an SDR, right? And this person is also a giving help, whatever, like this, or maybe I'm going to schedule a meeting. Okay. So what I want to do here is I want to filter exactly what I want to do a custom view as, schedule a meeting and an SDR. I'll save this as a new view. And I'll just say, I just want to update this. Schedule meeting, SDR. I'll probably do it the other way, where it's I like to see the who I'm talking to and then the status, the pipeline stage. And I hit OK. And now this person will pop up right in here. So now everyone that I add into this just tag in this specific stage and label will be here. And then if I just want to add in their lead score, when they are scored, I can prioritize it and sort it by who is the highest to my ICP, and then send a lead magnet message or whatever. So I minimize my usage of LinkedIn only to people that meet who the people I really need to talk to that are most closest to either doing business with me or whatever. So this is a very, very brief overview of what I built. So I'm really excited to show you on an ongoing basis my journey of building this and trying to monetize it and trying to raise money for it. Just basically the entire, what goes into building a software product. So if this is something you're interested in, please, I would love for your support. Just follow me, whatever. Right now, I'm offering access to this software, the alpha mode, and this is going to be significantly discounted. It's I think it's the first 25 people are going to have it at $20 a month. And this alone, I'm only charging it because it does cost me money to create a lot of these the software basically resources to get you on board. So I'm basically not making any money on this, and for you to have access to all of this, and you all the AI you use, you bring in your own API keys and everything. It's strictly on how much you want to use it, okay? But it's super cheap. You get access to all of this for right now, just $20. My goal is to increase the price to about $150, maybe $200 a month. But right now you can lock in your alpha member pricing, because I need help building this. And if this is something that resonates, you're doing LinkedIn and you're getting leads, you're doing lead magnets on LinkedIn, and you want to help build or have some say in what direction this product is going, please hit me up, join the alpha. You'll get direct access to me and my team, and let's build something really cool together. So appreciate your support. I'm back 6 months, monk mode. This is what we can do in 6 months.